Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome. My name's Summer and thanks for joining me on today's video. So today guys, we're going to be doing an episode 2 of the process of my makeup look. So if you've seen the last one, I did the whole process of how I transformed into Bowser. There's more props and like little bits to the look. This one is just strictly a painting. If you have been following me for a bit, you know that I think it was last year I did 2 looks inspired by Van Gogh. I really love those looks and I thought, wow, I need to do actually Van Gogh himself, like do it as a painting because that'll just complete everything. That is what I'm going to be doing today, the start to finish of how I create my Van Gogh painting inspired makeup look. Okay, so let's get right into the video. The very first thing I'm starting off with is the planning stage. This is really important because it can help you like really brainstorm and just visualize the look coming to life. This was sent over to me by my friend Kate, but she started her own business and I think that is just so awesome. She started her own custom face chart business. This is the binder that you get. You also get like the digital copy. She draws it out and she prints it in this little booklet for you. It's 30 pages. I really enjoy seeing my other friends on Instagram doing things like this. I just think it's so cool. Okay, so let's get right into the planning. Now that the planning portion is done, we have our picture all mapped out, we are ready to go on to the body painting. So we're going to start with the chest portion. I've just been starting to map out where I want everything. I have been making some mistakes, so it's always good to have like some micellar water or something around with some Q-tips so you can just fix anything you need to. Next, I'm just taking some eyeshadow and I'm just starting to make a few areas darker and a few areas lighter, just so it looks more like an actual painting. Okay, so here's the chest portion. So actually this took quicker than I thought. So as you can see, the chest portion is all done. We're looking like a cool little painting. So now I was like, I want to film everything for you guys and really show you how long it can take and like the certain breaks to make dinner. So I set my camera up in the kitchen and yeah, that's what you're gonna see next. I didn't include many clips in it because I realized, I don't know, I feel like I just look like a huge potato in all of those clips because I just have sports bra on, I'm hunched over, then you see my back, whatever. So yeah, next is a little dinner break. I'm going to be going on to the face portion, my favorite part, because it just brings everything to life and we are that much closer to finishing the look. Next up, we have the setup of the makeup room. This takes anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes just to organize stuff depending on my background, putting up my camera, putting up the ring light, adding any LED lights on, stuff like that. So just kind of getting the room organized. So here's the final look all together. So I've taken my pictures, I've done a few TikToks. Now it is time to remove the look. So this is how I'm looking. I just dumped a whole bunch of expired makeup onto myself for a TikTok. Why? I don't know, people just love it. I can't just hop in the shower like this because it's gonna stain all the grout. So normally what I'll do, I just get like old towels. These are just like old rags. What I'll start off with is I'll put some baby oil on here and then I'll just start to rub all of this off. It's the next day, so what I did last night is just jumped in the shower, got everything off, and then went right to bed. So now I need to edit the photos and upload the photos. So what I'll do first is just go through the camera, which has all the photos, and I'll just start to scroll through all of them, and then if I find one that I don't like, I'll delete it, because there's quite a lot on here, so I hate uploading like so many at once. That's how I edit my images. So I do always edit like these final images, and see closely, see how like the light box in the back, it looks a lot darker around the edges, but then up here it's lighter. So normally what I'll do in Facetune, I'll edit the background so everything looks more cohesive. To go in with, there's a tool on retouch called detail, and I'll go over a bit on like where I painted, because it just makes everything a little bit more sharper and like defined. This is crazy. That literally looks like a painting. This was more orange, but it didn't really pick up, so I'll kind of go into the paint and the tone and just kind of make this a little bit more like the actual color. But besides that, I won't really adjust anything to the actual painting. The picker tool, and then normally I just hit like closest to me because that's where it's the brightest, and then I go into tone, and now I'll just start to see how it matches so much better. Like it's, look at the difference already, and literally match that to this now, and there's not a weird shadow on it. So this is my final image here on Facetune. So this is edited, and that's not edited. So basically I've just changed the background, like I've just enhanced it so it's more cohesive, and yeah, and then I did just sharpen the whole image just so everything stands out more. And that is it, guys. Woohoo! Successfully completed another episode of how I start to finish a look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will link my first episode down below if you wanted to check that out. That one's actually pretty cool as well. This one I feel like I got like more filming in for you guys, and I was able to add more detail. Let me know if you like this, if you want to see it for other looks, or if you've seen the two and you kind of think that's enough. Like always, if you want to help support me as an artist and a creator, don't forget you can leave a comment. I'm always checking those out. If you have any suggestions, feel free to add those in the comments. Like the video if you did like the video, and don't forget you can subscribe, hit the little notification if you want to be notified every time I post, which is every Sunday. And every time I say this, I just feel happy about it because it's happening. Every Sunday a video is coming out. I honestly didn't think I could be this consistent with the YouTube videos. I'm happy, and I'll see you guys next Sunday. And that is it, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, which is next Sunday. Bye, guys.